I'm going to show you exactly how Arcads works right now, and we're going to build a few ads from scratch. Before I get into it, my Arcads link is in the description below, and there's a QR code on screen. If you click the affiliate link or scan the QR code, it will take you to arcads.ai. To get started, I usually just continue with Google. Once you're logged in to Arcads, you'll be taken to a screen like this. If you want to start a new project, you just select New Project. It will take you to this page, and you have a few different options to get started. If you click on See More, you'll see a variety of tools, models, and presets. You can see them all here, or you can select Tools. These are tools like text-to-speech, video editing, adding captions, translating, and things like that. When you open the Models tab in Arcads, you're going to see a lot of options, but they basically fall into 4 categories. First, you've got your video generation models. Seedance 2.0 and Kling are the main ones here. Then there are talking actor models, Arcads 1.0 and OmniHuman 1.5. These are specifically for creating a realistic AI spokesperson delivering your script directly to camera, which is the classic UGC ad style. Third are the image generation models, things like GPT Image 2 and Grok Image, for when you still need visuals rather than full video clips. And finally, there are specialty models like VO 3.1, which generates video with audio already built in, so you don't have to add sound separately. And Nano Banana, which is a faster, lightweight option when you're still testing ideas and don't want to burn through credits on a finished quality render. And presets are kind of like templates. For example, you could choose a product showcase or Sora 2 actors, and it lets you pick from a template that you can use. If you go to Talking Actors, this is where you can create UGC videos. Simply add actors. You can scroll down and see a few of the different options. It really just depends on what you want to use. I'll select this one here. I'm going to click in here and add my script. I like to keep my scripts relatively short. I've noticed when I've tried this with much longer scripts that the AI voice starts to not align with their mouth. It starts to look off if there's too much text. So I'm going to keep it relatively short. You can choose OmniHuman or Arcads 1.0. To be honest, I haven't noticed a huge difference between the two. You can add emotions by selecting this button, and you can change these if you don't like the emotions that it added in. If you're ready to generate the video, just click the arrow button. It will tell you how many credits it will use, and you just select Generate Video. One thing I do want to say while this is generating is to just make sure when you're writing these scripts to maintain your business's integrity. I usually like to have the AI actor make claims about how great the program is, not necessarily saying that they used it and had an experience with it. Here is an example of a UGC video that I created.
Did you know that you could turn a digital product idea?
You do have the option that you can download the video, you can remix it, upscale it, extend it, resize it, and there's more options here for editing it. Now I'm going to start a new project. I want to take an image and turn it into a video for one of my Shopify stores. I'm going to click on video and add the image. I have a prompt written here by Claude. I'm going to select settings here. I want to make sure it is the 9:16 aspect ratio. I think that this can probably just be 7 seconds long. I probably want it at a higher resolution, and I'll select Seedance 2.0. If you want to view all of your past projects, you can select Open Sidebar. This will show you everything you've worked on. You can select here to rename it. While we're waiting for that, I will show you a new workflow. So there are a lot of different templates for workflows to see. You can scroll down and see static ad templates. This is where you have one image and it creates multiple static images of it. You can create your AI clone, text hook overlay. There's just a lot of different options here for workflows. I want to try the static ad template. As you can see here, it builds out all of the different ads that it created using this one image. So you can zoom in and it shows the website and the product. And then it has the product image here. So you can switch that out. Down here you can add assets, add actors, write a prompt, add photos, and that is how you start a workflow. The reel just got done, so I want to watch what it did with the static image. So this is the video that it generated for me. It just took a static image and made this video that works great for my Instagram account. If you want to connect Arcads to Claude, go to Settings, then go to MCP and Skills, scroll down and you'll see the link to copy. Open Claude. I usually have to do this in the desktop app for it to work. Go to Customize and click the plus sign next to Personal Plugins. You'll go to Personal, then the plus sign, and say Add Marketplace. Then say Add from a repository and paste the link. hit enter, and sync. Just a word of caution about using Claude. In my previous experience when using programs like Arcads with Claude sometimes does not ask my permission before it uses credits. So just keep that in mind when using Claude. As far as pricing goes, there's the starter plan, creator, and pro plans. And if you're using Arcads to replace an ad agency or paying UGC creators, this will really save a lot of money in the long run. And that's how you create a video ad inside Arcads from start to finish. My Arcads link is in the description below or on the QR code on the screen. Subscribe if you want to see more honest AI tool content every week. I'll see you in the next one.